those abdominal muscles. No more love handles. What's going on, my number ones? Wallace Conrad here from 11 Fit TV. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a 5-minute ab exercise. The unique thing about this ab routine is that, one, we are not going to go on the ground. We're going to do it all standing. And two, as you know, with this 5-minute exercise, we try to go 1 minute without any rest, right? Only time we're going to rest is when we reset our stopwatches. Okay, so here we go. First one, we're going to crunch left. All right, so we're here and we're going to crunch. Time starts, crunch. Think about the muscle that you're working here. Really squeeze, going for those obliques, those abdominal muscles. No more love handles. Almost there. Nice. Almost at the 1 minute mark here. If you're tired, take a 5 minutes to 10 seconds and then get back into the exercise. Next side, here we go. Well done. The hip flexors are also working here because of the lifting action and the angle that your leg is at. All good. Squeeze. Keep that tension on. Almost there. Breathe. Well done. Well done. All right. Next, the 2 minutes down, we're going to do some knee drives. Okay. Here we go. Together, really. Keep that tension on the abs. Really drive through. Nice. Okay. Next, going to go for those elbow to knee crunches. Keep going, guys. Nice. And the last one that I want you to do, get in that squat stance and back across. After engage the entire time. Spine. Twisting motion. Nice on the obliques. Going across. Keep going. This is the last one. Put everything into it. There you have it. Next time, we'll go for it again. If you can manage for another 5 minutes, take a breather and go again. See you next time on TV.
I know that you're tired, but I'm asking you to do me one favor. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. Come on, you got this. I know you can do it. Keep going.